Wanna know a secret? I got to take a fat poop. It's not even funny. But yeah, we gonna keep on walking. Try to find some New Yorkers. I can just find a fucking restroom, dog. God, be so happy. All I need is a restroom, man. Bro. I do some serious business. This shit's fucking nasty. This one's fucking worse. Well, gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know where I'm going right now. We gonna figure it out. Not gonna lie, I've not been vlogging all day. It's already 4:27, bro. People are still running out here. Still, there's like 60,000 people out here running. It's crazy. Why is there bananas out here? Why? I don't know. I might just take one. Got my monkey. Cool little day. Cool little fit. Cool little. Yeah, we're in Central Park right now. The first time me being in Central Park alone. Still no friends. We might get some, who knows. But nah, today we watched some ladies perform. I forgot what they were performing, but they were dancing. And then I ended up branching off with my uncle. I went to the Museum of New York. That was pretty cool. I'm only gonna be here for 5 days, so I don't mind. But I did at the Spectrum Space. Bro, you can't tell me this is not the building from Hey Jesse. Dog, Siri's in there, bro. I bet they got like a Bertram dude like outside that door. I'm gonna go over there right now. There's literally a Bertram there right now. Cross the road. Am I allowed to look around the lobby?
No,
I can't.
And you film me, you can't film me.
Alright, my fault.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Unfortunately, I got kicked out. Hey, YOLO. What if I never did that? Huh? What if I never did that?